In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of your Wi-Fi being connected but with no internet on Windows 11. This is a common problem that can be really frustrating, leaving you unable to browse the web or stream your favorite shows. But don't worry, we'll walk through a straightforward set of steps to get you reconnected in no time. First, we're going to try a simple fix: restarting your router and your PC. Often, network connectivity issues can be resolved just by refreshing all the connections involved. So start by turning off your router or modem. It's best to simply unplug the device from the power source. Once it's off, we'll wait about 30 seconds. This brief pause helps clear out any lingering data or settings that might be causing the problem. After that, plug it back in and give your router a moment to fully power back up. While that's happening, go ahead and restart your PC as well. A reboot can often resolve many temporary glitches that could be affecting your network connection. Next, we'll utilize a built-in utility on Windows called the Network Troubleshooter. This tool is designed to automatically detect and fix many common network problems. To access it, head to your Settings menu, then click on System. From there, navigate to Troubleshoot, and then select Other Troubleshooters. You'll see an option for Network and Internet. Go ahead and run this troubleshooter. Windows will scan your system and network settings for any issues, and will either fix them for you or offer steps for you to follow. If the problem persists, we can attempt one further approach by renewing your IP address. This process involves letting your PC discard its current IP address and requesting a new one from your network. To do this, we'll open the command prompt with administrative privileges. You can do this by searching for command prompt in the Start menu, right-clicking it, and selecting Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type the command ipconfig release and press Enter. This command will release the current IP configuration. As soon as that's done, type ipconfig renew and hit Enter once more. This command requests a new IP address from your router. Wait for this to complete, then try your internet connection again. These steps typically resolve the issues associated with having a Wi-Fi connection without internet access on Windows 11. If you're still experiencing difficulties, there might be a more complex underlying issue at play, such as hardware problems or wider service outage. In those cases, you might want to contact your internet service provider for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you get connected again. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Have a great day.